Hello, my name is Luana Okino Sawada. I'll be walking you through the feasibility studies about expert advisors for MetaTrader 4 trading platform for Forex. Before beginning, I would like to introduce my mentor and product owner, Professor Masoud Sadjadi. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use an expert advisor for the MetaTrader 4, the software of Forex. So we can download it, our expert advisor. We can go to the metaquote5.com webpage where the users ranked all the expert advisors. So we'll go to the MetaTrade 4 and the experts, and we can filter it by lessons or by best ones. And in this case, I end up choosing the Martingale 6 hybrid expert for MetaTrade 4. And here we can download the code or the zip file. We have some documentations about it and an example. I end up choosing this one because of the gross profit and net profit it gave it to me. I downloaded my expert advisor. It's here on this folder, and I'm gonna be opening it. When you click it, it's gonna open on MetaTrader 4. So here it is. You can compile it. You can have warnings, but you cannot have errors, and then you can start it. Here is gonna show you the inputs, and some other information about the expert advisor. Just gonna hit OK. First, we need to download our data, so we just go to History Center, and I'm gonna be working with Euro and US dollar, so you can just click on all of them to make sure it's gonna download it. Then you select on Euro versus dollars, and then you hit download it. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it, so you can just download it, and it will be fine. After that, you will open the strategy tester, where you can choose here your expert advisor. So, and your symbol, as I said, euro versus US dollars. Sorry. Then for model, we're gonna go with EFRT, and the date. I'm gonna be evaluating the month of October of last year, so October 2010. From the first day until the last day of the month. Period, can choose 1 minute. So, and current for spread. Here the inputs, we can reset. It's gonna use the ones that it's suggesting when you download it. So I'm just gonna hit OK. Let's run it, start it, and then we have our report here. Total net profit's not that good, and then we have the graph. So what I actually did is that I changed some expert properties here, so I could have a better profit using this expert advisor. So I'm gonna go on input, and I'm gonna take the take profit value of each trade, and instead of 10, I'm gonna put 100. For distance and pips, which will open a new trade, I'm just gonna go with 20. The value of initial lot, 0.01. Oops, sorry, 0.1. And multiplier value, just gonna go with 2. Maximum trades that it can run, I'm gonna put 11, and just gonna select the magic number 2. Once I did it, I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna start again. And we have a different total net profit here with another gross profit. And this is the graph that we should be checking out. So, and we can change it to, let me see, 4 hours. Oops. And we'll have another report, different graph. We can run for daily too. And we'll have another, a smaller profit. So yeah, in this case, the best one was 1 minute. That's how I got more profit. So we can try to optimization, and let's see what happens here. So I just finished, and here I can go to the optimization results, and I can have the optimization graphics too. The report's gonna be the same. It didn't really change it. So that's it. That's how I end up testing it, and I choose the Martingale 6 hybrid as my champion expert advisor because it was the one that showed me more total net profit and gross profit. That's how I evaluate it. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please feel free to email me to send feedbacks, or if you have any questions about this video, at lokin001@fiu.edu, or if you have any questions about the project, you can contact my mentor and project owner at sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for watching this video.